This is Samsung RT26, Samsung double door refrigerator inverter machine. This is double door inverter. It has a fast cooling range. This fridge is one you're supposed to have. It has a fast cooling range and 10 years warranty on compressor. Let me show you guys this fridge so that you will see the beautification of this fridge. Come close. See, this is digital inverter. Digital inverter itself. Oh, see now, this is one of the things that makes it maintain ice. 3 days, nothing they shell. 3 days, 3 days. See the inside. Wow. This is a fridge you can put in your home. In your home. Come and show them the compressor. See the compressor. Show them the compressor. See the compressor. 10 years warranty on compressor. We are not playing. 10 years warranty on compressor. We are not playing. For your beverages, everything. One of a kind fridge. Simple and matured. Please DM me for price. We'll take it from there.